Wood industry. Money versus nature. The Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations, UNFAO, estimates that about 10 million hectares of forests are cut down worldwide every year. Instead, only about 1.83 billion trees are planted worldwide. Brazil is home to most of the Amazon rainforest and has the highest loss of forests due to deforestation. Brazil and Indonesia account for the majority of annual deforestation globally. Woods are generally divided into three main categories: softwood, hardwood, and engineered wood. Softwoods like pine, commonly used in construction and furniture. Fir, often used for building and structural purposes. Cedar, known for its aromatic properties and used in closets and chests. Hardwoods like oak, popular for flooring, furniture, and cabinetry. Maple, used in flooring, furniture, and musical instruments. Cherry, valued for its rich color and used in high-end furniture and cabinetry. And engineered woods like MDF, medium-density fiberboard, made from wood fibers and resin, used in furniture and cabinetry. China is the biggest exporter of wood, exporting a variety of wood products, including both hardwood and softwood, and this country's export volume of wood-based panel products was valued at $7,225 billion. The biggest consumers of wood are China and the United States. In the United States, for example, wood is the dominant material used in new home construction, with around 94% of new homes being wood-framed. The global wood market grew from $696.78 billion in 2022 to $748.01 billion in 2023, at a compound annual growth rate (CAGR) of 7.4%, and is projected to reach 1,070.2 million cubic meters by 2025. The most highly regarded types of wood include oak, maple, cherry, and walnut, and the most expensive one is African blackwood, which can cost around $100 per board foot. There are many types of wood products sold in the market, each serving different purposes. Here are some common types. Timber, also known as lumber, it's used for construction, furniture, and flooring. Sawdust, a byproduct of cutting, grinding, drilling, or sanding wood, often used for particle board, fuel, or as a mulch. Veneer, thin wood slices glued onto core panels, used for decorative purposes. Wood pellets, made from compressed sawdust, used as fuel for heating. Plywood, made from thin layers of wood veneer glued together, used in construction and furniture. Particle board, made from wood chips and sawdust bonded with resin for furniture and flooring.